Hey everybody, I'm Nick, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Holidays with the Housewife video. If you don't know what that video series is, it is my annual Christmas card making event, 12 full days of card making fun. Today I have a really fun card. This is my Snow Globe Bendi card. It features this cute little snowman and then this really nice snowflake kind of border all around here. It folds completely flat. You can either use pattern paper and just decorate the back, or the back is where you would put your message or your journaling. You just pop it up like that. It also comes with an included envelope. So like I said, it folds completely flat and then fits right there in the envelope. This one is super easy to make. I know it looks intimidating, but it comes together very quickly. I love snowmen. I have them around the house for Christmas, actually from November through January, and I could probably leave them up a lot longer because we live in Michigan and it's pretty much winter 8 months out of the year. So I have a special place for little snowmen, and I love the dimension of it. It's so cool. If you haven't yet, make sure that you hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the free SVG Cut File. To access my free file library, we're going to head to my website, thebeardedhousewife.com. We're going to head to the Resource Library tab. If you don't have access to the free file library, you can click Get Access. You'll fill out a form and then be emailed the password to enter. But for now, we're going to click Enter the Library, type in the password, and click Enter, and then you'll be brought to all the files. Now, at the time of this recording, I do not have any of the Holidays with the Housewife projects loaded into my file library. So there is a graphic that is popping up right now that will tell you the design number of the project that you are watching the video for. So you will click that hyperlink and download the file onto your computer. Go ahead and unzip that file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Okay, now that we're in a new project in CRICUT Design Space, we're going to head to Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, and click Open, and then Upload. Highlight that image, and then click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines in any text. The first thing that we need to do is head up to Ungroup the Design. Let's scroll down to the bottom and get the envelope taken care of. We're going to highlight the score line, come up to Operation, and change that to Score. Then highlight the group and click Attach. Okay, now you need to do that for the other layers of the card that require score lines. Okay, that's it. We can head up to make it. You'll see the 10 different mats for this project. You can go ahead and click Continue. I'm going to be using medium cardstock for this card. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get everything loaded up. Step 4. Cut out the design. Alright, for this project we're going to need our cutting mat, our different cardstocks, scoring wheel or scoring stylus, CRICUT scraper, and your glue or adhesive. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I will see you when everything's all done. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, now that everything's been cut out, we can go ahead and start to assemble. I'm going to take the envelope and the inlay and just set it to the side, and we'll come back to that later. So first thing that we need to do is assemble our little snowman. So first, I'm going to take the black layer, that is your base layer, and then take the white and just layer that on top. And then you can add your scarf. The scarf comes in 2 different pieces to give it a little bit of a dimension. And then your little arms on both sides, and then the nose. I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video just a little bit and get all of that layered together. Okay, so there is our little snowman. I'm going to set him to the side for right now. Now let's work on our cover panels for just a second. So there are 2 sets of them. One's going to go on the inside of the card, or I'm sorry, one set is going to go on the inside of the card, the other set's going to go on the back. That back portion is optional. You don't have to put that on there. I just like the way that it finishes it off. However, the back side is going to be where you put your message. So if you want to just leave it white so that you can handwrite your message on there, that's totally up to you. I just give those to you as an option. So to finish our cover panels, we're just going to add our little forest scene here onto the cover panels themselves. Now you see that the cutouts line up with the edges of the cover panels, and then the bottom line here is flush with the top of this little cutout right here. So you're going to go ahead and layer those together. I'm going to glue those together and I'll be right back. Alright, so there's our cover panels. Let's set those to the side. Let's fold all of our score lines. So this is the piece that's going to go inside the Bendi card. So we need to fold from left to right. You're going to have a mountain fold, actually a valley fold, a valley fold, a valley fold, and a valley fold, so that your piece kind of looks like this when it stands up. Okay. Just set that to the side. Now for our base layer, you're just going to fold the card in half. Set that to the side. And then this is our little base. This is the part that's going to give it a little bit of dimension. So then these pieces, the tabs get folded away from you. All right. To start to assemble, you're going to add glue to the outside pieces, or the outside of the tabs here. And now lining up the edge here with the edge of the card base, you're going to secure that piece. Now bring the other side. Okay, there we go. And now that will form our little bendy part. Okay. Now you're going to take your cover panels for the inside and then line that up with the bottom here, and then place them inside like that. you're going to place these over the tab that we just glued down onto the card base. We go ahead and do that now. See how it's coming together? Now, what you want to do is add glue to the tabs here on the inner portion. And then with the card laying flat, I like to just slide it in carefully. And you're going to want to make sure that you line up the bottom edge as well as this little tab right here that's formed with the score lines is centered with the score line on the card base. Okay, and give it a good press. Now you can pop your card out, and then that gives you your little base. Okay, for the little inside there and for our little snowman, you have two different options. You can use the snowflake border here, or just the plain snow. It doesn't really matter. It's totally up to you. I like the snowflakes because it kind of gives it a little bit more depth and more dimension, but again, that's up to you. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to layer this piece of snow on top of the snowflakes and then put the snowman in the middle. All right, now you're going to add glue just to that tab that sticks out. And then attach your little snowman. All right, there we go. Isn't that cute? It's something different. It has the general look of a snow globe on the top. That Bendi card is just cute, and then it folds all flat. All right, now for the back. Set that to the side. Let's go ahead and do the envelope. So you're going to want to fold along the score lines. Go ahead and press everything with your scraper. Add glue to the outside edge of the inlay. And then around the cutout. And then set that in place. Turn the envelope over. Add your glue to the bottom edge of the side flaps. Bring the bottom flap up and then press into place. There's your envelope. And then this folds all flat right inside there. I told you that was easy. Aren't they so cute? I just love the little design. And if you use different paper other than the pattern paper that I used, if you use glitter cardstock, mirrored cardstock, you can really dress this up and really kind of play up that snow globe look. You could also, on the bendy portion right here, you could run it through your embossing machine and use like a wood grain on it. That would look really, really cool. Just all kinds of different things that you could do to it. I hope that you make it. I would love it if you shared your creations with me in my Facebook group. There's a link down below for you to check it out. Come on over and craft with us. We would love to see your creations. I hope to see you at the next Holidays with the Housewife video. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.